Welcome to the channel. This video is for you who, when creating a display capture in a new scene, noticed that the audio mixer tab was empty. Here, I created a new scene. And now I will be creating a new display capture. You may notice that the audio mixer tab is empty. To add audio capture sources, first go to File in the top left corner and then click on Settings. Then go to Audio. In the Global Audio Devices tab, go to Desktop Audio and select the default option to capture the computer's audio. If you want to capture audio from a microphone, go to Mic/Auxiliary Audio and select Default. Click on OK. Now the audio mixer tab is filled, and you can capture both your audio and the computer's audio. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to help me out.